Hello everyone, welcome to the Storyteller. Today we are going to listen to a story about a hidden treasure and an unexpected journey. It's about two siblings who set out to fetch water for their grandmother, but discover something far more valuable along the way. Listen carefully until the end, and I hope you will learn something new from this story. So let's get started. The Well's Secret. It was summer and the air was thick with heat. Inside Emily's house there was no cooler. Emily lived with her mother, father, and her younger brother Jack. Her grandmother lived with them as well. Emily's grandmother was old and unwell. She spent her days lying in bed, speaking softly to a photograph of her late husband. "Yes, my dear. Oh, it's in the well. It's in a bucket of water. Thank you." Emily and her mother were in the grandmother's room. Her mother brought a tray of food and a glass of water. "Please fetch me some water from the well," the old woman murmured. "There's no well here, Ma," Emily's mother gently reminded her. "We live in town now. The tap gives us clean water." Speaking in a hushed tone, Emily's mother turned to her daughter. "Grandmother isn't thinking clearly. She's very sick." She lifted the glass to the old woman's lips, but the grandmother turned away. "No, no, the farm's well. You must go there." "Ma, we can't go to the old farm now. It's too close to the volcano. There's fire and smoke. Soldiers are blocking the roads. It's dangerous." But the grandmother didn't seem to hear her. "Go to the well," she insisted. "Hurry." "I'll go," Emily said, determination in her voice. "I know the way." She explained her plan to her father and brother. "Emily, you must not go. The volcano is too close." "I'll go with her," Jack declared. "We'll bring the water for grandmother." The next morning, Emily and Jack rose early. Emily packed some bread, some sausage, and a bottle of water in her bag. The siblings walked along the dusty highway under the burning sun. At the checkpoint, they encountered a soldier who questioned them. "The volcano isn't dangerous today," he said. "Where are you headed?" "To our grandmother's farm," Jack explained. "She believes the well water will heal her." "Ah, magic water! Bring me some too," the soldier laughed. They stopped by a bridge to eat. A small house stood nearby, and a kind woman lived there with a small red dog. Jack fed the dog some sausage. "Where are you going on such a hot day?" the woman asked. "To our grandmother's farm," Jack replied. "She needs water from the well." "Why not take water from my well? It's fresh and clean." "That's a good idea," Jack said. "I don't want to walk any farther." "Stay here then," Emily told him. "I'll go alone." She set off, but after a moment Jack followed. The landscape changed, no houses, no animals, only dry grass and dust. A strange sound carried on the wind. "Did you hear that?" Jack asked. "Is someone calling us?" "It's just the wind," Emily assured him. "No, it's a ghost. I hate ghosts." "There are no ghosts here." At the farm, Jack spotted an orange tree and forgot his fear. As he picked some fruit, Emily found the well. The cover was cracked, and when Jack lifted it, a foul smell rose from the depths. "This water is bad," Jack said, wrinkling his nose. "We must take some for grandmother," Emily insisted. "Help me pull up the bucket." The bucket was heavy. When they finally lifted it, they found the water murky. Emily tipped it out. Gold coins glinted in the sunlight. "Gold!" Jack exclaimed. "Grandfather's coins!" They filled the bucket with oranges, hiding the treasure beneath. As they neared the bridge, a gang of boys appeared. "What's in your bucket?" one sneered. "Oranges. Give them to us." The small red dog barked furiously. The kind woman rushed out of her house and the gang scattered. At the checkpoint, the soldier peered into the bucket. "No magic water?" "Just magic oranges," Emily said, offering him one. When they arrived home, grandmother lay in bed, waiting. "Is that my bucket of water?" she asked. "No," Emily said with a smile. "It's grandfather's gold." Laughter filled the house. Grandmother looked at her husband's photo and smiled. Then from outside, a sound drifted in. "Is that the wind?" Hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Keep watching, keep learning, and see you in the next story. Thanks for watching.